And there's the other one there. These are from AliExpress. No, these are from Amazon. My bad. And they're going there. Just mounting in the brackets right now. There's one in. I'll put the other one on, and then we'll step back and have a look at it. And then I'm gonna have to hook them up. So we'll check that out too. Okay. Okay, I installed both ambers and whites. They're actually like a blue kind of, ice blue kind of color to match with the whole black and blue theme in the van. Looking good. I like it. I gotta put the front spoiler on underneath soon. I gotta hook them up too. Yeah, looks good. I love it. Okay, be back. Let's check out the stereo. Put these new lights down below. Gotta fasten the speakers in, and I gotta organize all these wires nice and neat, put them together good, and I still gotta put these 12s in. Good, time has come. I'm gonna go get these tires installed on the van. And 50-15s. They're about 12.7 inches wide. About a good inch or so bigger than the ones I have on there. Okay. Check them out when I put them on, after I put them on. They'll be going on in this location here in the rears. This is that bad one that keeps deflating on me because it's got that crack. Okay, I got the front rims polished. Looks good. The rears, we got the new tires on. And 50-15s. 12.5 inches wide. Love them. And this one polished. All matching now. Put these lower lights on, fog lights. Alright, gonna be hooking up these lights soon. Fog lights. Clean the tires and the rims up, nice, polished. Front and back. These are the new tires for the back. And 50-15s. Which are about 12.5 inches. 12.7 to be exact, but and I'm going to be replacing this corner vent window here with this one. And these doors I got off a cool vanning dude. Good guy. He delivered them for me. So I'm going to put these on. You can see they're much better. Just got to clean the rubbers up. I'll swap them over. Driver's side. Passenger. My passenger is actually better than that one, so leave that. Door handles, I gotta pop off. Need those. Also have these old Chevy van rims, 15x10s. If anybody needs a set, let me know. Hit me up.